What is the most excellent way? Chapter 13 gives the answer. Look at chapter 13, verses 1 through 13. Though I speak with the tongues of men and angels, and have not charity, I am become as sounding brass, or a tinkling cymbal. And though I have the gift of prophecy, and understand all mysteries, and all knowledge, and though I have all faith, so that I could remove mountains, and have not charity, I am nothing. And though I bestow all my goods to feed the poor, and though I give my body to be burned, and have not charity, it profiteth me nothing. Charity suffereth long, and is kind. Charity envieth not. Charity vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up, doeth not behave itself unseemly, seeketh not her own, is not easily provoked, thinketh no evil, rejoiceth not in iniquity, but rejoiceth in the truth, beareth all things, believeth all things, hopeth all things, endureth all things. Charity never faileth, but whether there be prophecies, they shall fail. Whether there be tongues, they shall cease. Whether there be knowledge, it shall vanish away. For we know in part, and we prophesy in part. But when that which is perfect is come, then that which is in part shall be done away. When I was a child, I spake as a child, I understood as a child, I thought as a child. But when I became a man, I put away childish things. For now we see through a glass, darkly, but then face to face. Now I know in part, but then shall I know, even as also I am known. And now abideth faith, hope, charity, these three, but the greatest of these is charity. Now, Paul lists 15 characteristics of the love of God. 15 characteristics of the love of God. Number 1, patience. Number 2, kind. Number 3, doesn't envy. Number 4, doesn't brag. Number 5, not inflated with its own importance. Number 6, don't behave gracelessly. Number 7, doesn't insist upon its rights. Number 8, never flies into a temper. Number 9, don't store up the memory of wrong it has received. Number 10, finds no pleasure in evil doing. Number 11, rejoices with the truth. Number 12, endure anything. Number 13, believed the best of others. Number 14, never ceases to hope. And 15, bears or endure all things with triumphant fortitude. Then Paul shares 3 great truths concerning love. Number 1, he stresses its absolute permanency. God's love is permanent. Number 2, love is complete. It lacks nothing. We have only tapped into a small portion of the things of God. There is only so much that this physical body can contain. And number 3, he stresses its absolute supremacy. Faith and hope are great, but love is greater.